my best line for closing deals in virtual wholesaling. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here. And in today's video, I give away for free in this video clip my top closing line for closing virtual wholesaling real estate deals. This is a big deal, guys. Most people charge a fortune to learn this stuff, but I give it all for free. So, guys, before you get to remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the clip.
But yeah, so I talk to a lot of people as well, and I want to learn how to close faster. I came across a guy. We were trying to get this condo, and the condos are selling like 120,000. And so I called him like 2 months ago, told him we would take it for 80. He was excited, like, oh yeah, I'll sell it. Ended up not selling it. Followed up with him 2 weeks later. Told him 80 again. He forgot who I was, obviously, but he got very excited. I was like, yeah, well, 80,000, we'll buy it, and this is something we could sell for 120,000, for $40,000 profit. And so what happened was he was like, okay, I have to go speak with my wife, and I'm like, yeah, speak with your wife, and I'll call you tomorrow morning. I call him the next morning, and I call him and said, hey Johnny, are we gonna still go through with this deal? He goes, I sold it. That morning, like literally the next morning. And I said, okay, so how much did you sell it for? He said 82,000. And I was I was so hurt. I was like, so Johnny, did you think to give me a call? I would have offered, like 87. I would have offered maybe 90,000. He's just like, oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't think about it. And so I was just like, well, my lesson there is how can I close there when I talked to him that day, because obviously the people that called him the next morning closed him, got him to sign the contract right then and there, because he only signed for $2,000 more. So
what was the time difference between your last call and him signing that contract?
Literally the next morning. So because I woke up early that day, and because we're a 2-hour time difference, I'm in Los Angeles. So 2-hour time difference. I think I called him at 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. his time. And the last time I talked to him was probably 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. his time.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy, man. You want me to tell you what I'd do and how I'd beat the other guy?
Yeah, how you do that?
So how did you end that conversation specifically?
So I said, okay. I said $80,000. He said, you got a deal, but let me speak with my wife. And I said, awesome. Let's speak with your wife, and I'll give you a call tomorrow morning, and we can lock this up.
Oh, come on, man. All right. First of all, he lied to you when he said he remembered. He forgot you. He knew exactly who you were. He gave that 80,000. The next guy that called him said, this guy offered me 80. Can you do more? That's what happened. I know it hurts bro, this happened to me so many times.
Oh yeah.
This has happened to me so many times. I decided to do something about it. Okay. So you learned that one lesson. It took me 10 times to do that. I probably 500 grand with the deals, probably to learn this. So I spent 500 grand learning this lesson. Okay.
Man.
There's qualifying sellers. And this is the most important part about it too. Married guys and gals, they're going to do something with their spouse. Okay. You're not going to close a deal or present an offer without a married spouse. Mm-hmm. So you did two things wrong here, which is fine. Live and you learn, right? We can't go back in time. Look forward, man. I mean, a meteor could have hit you, and you could have been dead. So don't look in the past, man. You're grateful to be here right now. So
definitely.
One problem you did do is I would never give an offer unless someone's ready to sign that second. That's number one. So you already present the offer and he accepted, which is great. You just didn't do the right sentences to get it there. So what I would have done in virtual wholesaling is what we always do. We tell our acquisitions person is, okay, Mr. Seller, I'm ready to give an offer. Are you ready to hear the offer? Yes, I'm ready to hear the offer. Well, here's the one thing I do. I'm very busy and I'm only looking to buy a couple more properties because I'm dealing with a lot of houses. So here's the one thing. Are you ready to make a decision right now if I give you the offer to sell or not? I need a verbal agreement that you are willing to make a yes or no decision on this call. If you're going to sell with me, yes or no right now for it. And to get the paperwork and everything done. Yes, I am. He would have said no. You know why? I need my wife. Okay, well, is it okay if you have your wife on the phone call? She's going to get home at 6:00 tonight. Perfect. Well, I'm going to call at 6:00, or you call me at 6 with your wife. I'll present the offer. And if you say yes, we can get it done today.
Yeah.
What you need to do is have wife and husband on the phone. Okay, Mr. Seller, after everything you told me, what price you really need? And they need to get the price, not you. But let's say you negotiate, you're at 80. She says it's deal, they do deal. Perfect. While I'm on the phone with you, what's your email? I just sent you a paperwork. I messed up there. I just sent you some paperwork, or maybe say contract, whatever. Right now, I want you to open it. I'll read it with you. And then what you got to do is you got to click here to sign it, and then have your wife click there, and should be good to go.
Man. Yeah, I wish I would have knew that.
You see that?
Definitely.
If you said, I'll call me back when you sign it, deal's dead. Let me stay on the phone with you while you do it.
Yeah,
I even messed up there. I don't like saying contract. I said contract, so whatever. But I still make mistakes. So give your okay on right here. I need your wife's okay. While you have DocuSign or whatever going, you stay on that phone.
Okay.
And you have them sign there tonight.
Yeah, I'm going to definitely take that.
Is this recorded then? Watch the recording of what I just said. But that's what you have to do. And you have to do this not with just weird seller, every seller. Okay. That's it. So Jojo, it's Jojo, right?
Mm-hmm.
What I want you to do is I want you to say the same exact thing to me. Close me now. Exactly.
Okay, so Zach,
I don't want the first time you do that be with a seller you're trying to close. Or rather be with me, and then you're like, okay, I've done this before,
Yeah, definitely.
Confidence.
So Zach, look, I'm ready to give you an offer. But before I give you this offer, I want to know that, if I give you this number that you're all in, that I have your verbal agreement that, if I give you this offer, we'll sign and we'll close today. Can I get that from you?
It's okay if I could talk to you tomorrow about it?
Well, then I can't give you now. Yeah, then I can't give you an offer on it right now, Zach. So right now, well, because I don't have your verbal agreement, I can have another offer or another deal that, can go through. If I don't have you ready to go and lock in today, I'm going to have to move on. So.
Fine.
Okay, let's do it. So what's your email? I'm gonna take it down and I'll send you an agreement right over, and we can get started.
Okay, what's your offer?
So my offer for 123 Apple Ave is $65K.
I can't do that. That's way too low.
That's way too low?
That's way too, I can't do that.
Okay, so let's factor in the closing costs, the repairs that I'm gonna have to do. If I factor all of that in, what do you feel is a good number for this?
I'm not taking anything less than 70,000.
So
I know it's worth at least 70.
Okay, so how much are you looking to walk away with in your pocket today?
70.
70,000? Okay, Zach. Well, I can't do 70,000. Considering all the closing costs, all the repairs I'm going to have to do, all the taxes I'm going to pay, would you consider, maybe going down to 65 for me?
Sure. That's fine.
I'll send it right over to you.
You're a tough negotiator, Jojo.
Man. Yeah. I'm trying to get more comfortable at stuff like that. I feel like when I negotiate, I'm kind of scared that I'm going to push.
Send me the document, man. You didn't get closed. I didn't sign it. Keep on the phone, bro. Close me, man.
My bad. So yeah, what's your email? Send it. Text me your email. Or what's your email? I'll write it down. I'm gonna send you over these documents. I'm gonna walk you through this agreement, and then we'll sign it, and we'll close today.
Okay, I'll call you when I sign it.
No, let's walk through it together. If you have a couple of minutes, we can walk through it together.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, sounds good.
Okay, what does this line say here? Earnest. What's an earnest money?
So the earnest money is just me letting you know that I'm all in to this deal. So I'm going to give you some money beforehand, before we close, just to let you know that I'm serious about this deal. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Perfect. Mm-hmm. Okay, I signed it.
Awesome. I just got it. Well, thank you, Zach. It's nice doing business with you. I'm going to get this over the title. We're going to close this. and we'll stay in touch and keep you updated on the process. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you. Have a good
Perfect. Perfect, man. You're assertive there, man. I wanted to get off the phone. You didn't let me. See?
day.
Sometimes it's not nice being Mr. Assertive, but you have to sometimes, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes you have to. That goes into my next question. And so I have some people that I want to get under contract. You know, they've given me, and so I messed up before. I messed up already not getting them to sign right then and there. So we already have the deal. We've already seen the house, and so they've already given us their word that they're going to give us the property or sell it to us. So I have a seller right now that I've been trying to get under contract for weeks, and our contract is 1 page. And he's like, I'm super busy. Like, he'll barely answer, but when he does answer, he's like, I'm super busy. I'll get to the contract, and I'm like, Mike, it's 1 page. It's a DocuSign. It's really quick. I can go through it with you. He's like, I don't have time right now. Call me next week. So I'll call him like every week, call him 3 times a day. Won't answer if I get through to him. So, like, what do I do from there now? Because I'm constantly calling.
Call him from a different number.
I call him from my Google Voice number, and then I
Ooh.
call him from my personal number, and I might call from a Mojo number. He still doesn't answer. And so I know he's busy, like, actually, but I just don't like that he's prolonging like the time to sign. And he's like, I'm not shopping it around. I'm not gonna sell it to anybody else. I'm gonna sell it to you. It's just I'm super busy.
Give him an ultimatum. Okay. That offer's only good for the next week. I need an answer by Monday. Can you give me an answer by Monday? I'm going to buy another house instead.
And when I put the pressure on him like that, and when I do that, because we really want the condo, he's like, okay, well, I understand you have other like property to like look at. Like, that's fine. Just go ahead and do it. And then I'm just like, okay, like, it's hard to put the pressure on him because he really doesn't care. Like, he's motivated. He wants to sell the property, but he's not motivated enough to sell it soon.
He's not motivated. If he's not motivated to sell right now, as you know.
No.
I know.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I know. That's all. They got to be motivated enough in time wise.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So I have a couple guys like that, and so yeah, it's pretty annoying. But hopefully they get on. They keep saying they'll sell it to us, but yeah. But
all right.
But other than that, just I really appreciate that tip on how to close, because I really need to learn how to close faster.
Bro, that's what I just told you will work perfectly. I promise.
Yeah. Other than that, that was about it. And then thank you for the list.
Bro, keep it up, man. I'm telling you, these are the secret lists that most people are where you at. Oh, I'm just gonna give up. I can't go past that point. I promise you. Good results.
Man, I appreciate it, Zach. Keep doing what you're doing, man.
Thanks, man. Any last questions?
No, that's it. Appreciate you. Thank you.
All right. Appreciate you, JoJo. Thanks.
Yep.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.